have very different roles in the business. So I'm the managing director, so I look after everything business, finance, marketing, strategy.
I look after all of the design direction, the photo shoots, sourcing materials, everything to do with design.
So while we have different roles in different departments, we also talk a million times a day. We've often spoken twice or three times before we get to work. So
And the evening.
And in the evening. It's really good. It's like we're the perfect person, but she's like, you know, left side and I'm right side, and then, you know, it kind of just works out that, you know, we've got the creative and the business. While I'll say I think we need a new dining table, you know, oval dining tables have been really popular, round is good, but I won't come with designs, no. I know my place.
Yeah.
We can lean on each other all the time with different decisions we're making. We make decisions, like business decisions, together. We've got a thing, if anyone takes a holiday, you know you're going to come back to the others just to being cranky at you. Because we do lean on each other so much.
Yeah.
I said to my son, you know, it's a male-dominated industry. And he said, is it? Because it's something that we actually don't acknowledge. We grew up, you know, 4 girls and our father was a builder, and there was no job that he didn't make us do, like pushing the wheelbarrow, you know, hooking up the trailer, carrying firewood, you know, everything. We were, you know, we did the same as if we were boys. So we don't, and I never carry in my head that, you know, I would be perceived differently as a woman. So we haven't had a lot of obstacles. I really think you walk into a meeting, or, you know, you walk into a factory and people take us for who we are, not our sex. I think if anything, it's been an advantage because most of the interior designers and people decorating their homes the decisions are made by females. You know, designed by a woman for women that are using the bathroom.
I think the challenge of women getting ready in the morning is often time. You know, we've got children, we've got really busy lives, and we want to actually get ready as quickly and efficiently as we possibly can. I think storage is another big deal when it comes to bathrooms. I think storage is really, really important because there's so many beauty products on the market and you seem to accumulate so many. And so there needs to be a place for all these products. We've worked really, really hard on achieving that, and I think we've done a good job.
Yeah. We've got the brand heritage of 5 generations of design behind us.
Our father had a building business and a factory where he did the kitchens and the window frames. We'd always been to the jobs with him and worked on construction sites and had a bit of time in the factory. I always really enjoyed furniture. We're actually 2 of 4 sisters, and we're all very, very close in age. It's only 7 years between all of us. And so whenever anyone needed a piece of furniture, they'd always come to me and say, I need a new wardrobe or I need a new bed. And so I'd actually design it, probably from the age of about 14. And then I'd go to the factory and have it made. And then Fleur would be the person, the trading post was around at the time, so she'd sell all the old furniture on the trading post. So I guess we started as teenagers in the business in a way. And then just as time went by, it just evolved.
Willie started the business back in 1994 when she designed a small range while studying furniture design at RMIT, and it sold straight away. I was working in fashion and joined maybe a year later. We're 25 years, so we're really proud of the history we have in the business, but we're so proud that we've been able to maintain that and to grow and to employ so many people. As far as a particular influencer, Willie doesn't watch other designers. Her inspiration comes from so many other areas other than furniture. That's more from nature and her lifestyle and from our travel.
My ideal bathroom would definitely have lots of storage, a nice big bath, lots of beautiful materials.
Yeah, my ideal bathroom, I mean, pretty much is what the bathroom I have. I'm lucky enough to have done a renovation and have a Izzy's Ulster bathroom. So storage is really important, and mirrors. I love, having sort of multiple mirrors that I can look at. I love, getting ready and being able to access everything in the one footprint. And bathroom being a really calming space, I think, is really important.
Yeah, a bit of a day spa feel is a really nice thing. Fleur definitely spends more time in the bathroom than I do.
At work, I think we're very similar in the way that, we appear, but then our lives outside of work are quite different. So Willie lives on 40 acres in a country property.
Valley, and I've got 5 horses and 2 children and a dog and a husband. So it takes me a while to get ready in the morning, just with doing all of that. And so that's why my bathroom has to be as efficient as it possibly can.
So Willie does the express get ready. And I've got a little more time, I guess, so I take a bit more time and value beauty and all the beauty rituals and really enjoy that part of my life.